Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Tahoe key fob. First, gather all existing key fobs you want to program, including any new ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate the vehicle's programming button, which is usually found in the glove box or under the dashboard. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, sit inside your vehicle with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the vehicle's unlock button, typically found on the driver's side door panel. Continue holding this button for about 15 seconds until you hear a chime or the door lock cycle, indicating you've entered programming mode. Once in programming mode, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Hold them down for about 15 seconds until you hear a chime or the door lock cycle again. This confirms the fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this exact step for any additional key fobs you need to pair, one at a time. If you encounter issues, first check the battery in your key fob. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure all vehicle doors are completely closed throughout the entire process, as an open door can prevent programming. If problems persist, you might need to consult your owner's manual or a professional. And hey, speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.